Are you going to say hi? Hi. Hi there. Did you find your mama today? Yeah. Did you find your mama's face? Don't look at that dumb camera. Look at mama. I'm going to put my head there for a second. Hey, you. Look at your mama. Hi. Hi, man. Oh, 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 oh. Hi there. Did you go to a party today? Did you wear a party dress? Did you wear a party dress? Hi. Do you want to talk? Oh. Hi. Hello. Hello, miss. Hello. Hello. Is there something to say? Yeah? Do you want to say something? Yeah. Oh, did you scare yourself? Honey. Oh, what else? What else? Huh? What else do you want to talk about? Anything else important to say? She's never done that before. Miss, look right here. Look right here, miss. You're kind of funny. Look right here. Hi, bitch. Oh! Oh, bless you. Oh, she's so big, honey. You're moving that face so fast. Can you look up at your mama? Look right here. Hey, you. What? Hello. I see you. I see you. I see you, see you, see you. Alright, you're not going to talk too much more. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You goof.